Hey, yo, what's up, people of the internet? So I'm hanging out over here at JFK Airport, waiting for my flight to Jordan. I got about an hour to go, and as I was hanging out over here, I thought to myself, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna list the top 5 reasons why you should go visit Jordan. Let's get into it, yeah? First meal you're seeing here is called kebse, which is some brown rice with some chicken. Really good stuff, you gotta try it. Second of all, we have some mashawi, which is some shish kebab, kufta kebab, and chicken kebab, made fresh off the grill. What do you think about shawarma?
Yummy.
Shawarma is one of the most delicious foods here.
It's a good hangover food.
It's a good hangover food. It's good food for the munchies. This is real meat. Real good stuff. So, here's one of the reasons why you should come visit Jordan. If you do, make sure you come down to Irbil and check out Shawarma Ji. It's the spot to be. Hookah's really popular over here in the Middle East. A lot of people, they like smoking it. It's really good. It's even spread all across the world. Even in America, a lot of people, they do it as well. It's become extremely popular. It's a nice time to just hang out, spend some time with the friends, you know, just chilling, enjoying some time. مهند حابب تعرف الناس عن حالك ولا لا؟
Yeah. Hello everybody. My name is
سوالف عربي، في عندي مشاهدين عربيين.
في عرب؟ والله حي الله بالعرب واحلى ناس. طبعا فهد هلا زايرنا بالاردن. احنا حاليا بعمان قاعدين بجاليريا مول صوفية بنزار كافيه.
Hello. So we got Firas right over there.
Hello. Cheerio.
Muayyad right over here.
I love you. I love you. I am. كل الاحترام والتقدير واحلى قعده مع احلى شباب واحلى خميس.
Yeah, buddy. So we out here, bro. We out here riding on the horse. We're about to go to Petra. We're gonna check this out. Yeah, father, mother. شو بدي أمسك فيه؟
Yes.
أيوة. يا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Let's go, brother.
خليه يهدي.
You hold the room.
No. All right, guys, I just rode a horse for the first time. And wow, that was insane. أهلاً وسهلاً ومرحبتين. ولعت الأردن. حبيب قلبي. As you can see, Jordan people, they're really nice people. They love to get lit. They love to have a party. All right, guys, I'll get back at you later. Right here behind me is the Petra. I'm telling you, this is amazing. This is an amazing reason why you should come here to Jordan. You need to visit this place. Petra, it's shown in movies, TV shows. It has such a great history. Petra was known to be like the hot spot for where people, they would buy and sell things. And now it's just turned into one of the 7 wonders of the world. We'll be continuing this journey. Apparently there's more areas to check. I didn't know. I thought you'd only see this and that's it. But apparently there's more than that. So stay tuned.
هي حلوة بس متعبة جدا، يعني اللي بيتعب ما يفكر يجي، كتير تعب، تسلق والتراب ومسافات كبيرة وطويلة وإرهاق وشمس وشوب وإلى آخره، فاللي بيتعب ما يطلع. وأنا بحب أقول لكم هاي أول وآخر مرة بحياتي بجي على المكان. توبنا
خلاص
توبة
أول وآخر مرة.
أوكي طلع أنا لك.
خلاص نعود لكم لاحقا.
يحلى السهر بالليل